Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to share with you a delicious and easy vegan French toast recipe. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need some bread slices, non-dairy milk, a ripe banana, ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. First, mash the banana in a bowl. Then add in the non-dairy milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Mix it all together until well combined. Now, dip each bread slice into the mixture, making sure both sides are coated evenly. Next, heat up a nonstick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Place the coated bread slices onto the skillet and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until golden brown. Once the French toast is cooked, transfer it to a plate and top it with your favorite toppings. Some popular options are fresh berries, maple syrup, and a sprinkle of powdered sugar. And voila! Your delicious and easy vegan French toast is ready to be enjoyed. It's the perfect cruelty-free alternative with all the flavors you love. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty vegan recipes like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.